Wow, you see that? Wow, Poppies Lane to getting back. I will make video on Bernesari Street.
Hello, welcome to Bali.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will update how the situation at the moment in Poppies Lane Street and also Raya Legian Street. Okay guys, so if you want to know how the situation right there at the moment, just keep stay in touch. Check it out. Hello guys, how today? Yeah, I hope you are fine. Okay guys, today I will update how the situation at the moment in Poppies Lane Street and also Benesari Street. Okay, so if you want to know how the situation right there at the moment, just make sure watch the video until the end. And over in today's start from Poppies Lane Street from the west part, nearby the beach. And was so busy. They're just really good. It just looks so busy, isn't it? A lot of trees down there. Wow, you see that? Wow, Poppies Lane to getting back. They're just good. Actually, more than 1 week ago, I already updated in this area. Was very quiet. Really happy now. It's getting more busier in this area. Left side, the main gate to go to Beachwalk Mall from the back side. Right side, same. A lot of trees down there. It's quite busy. That's good. We can see together at the right side. A lot of trees there. Wow, so busy. Poppies Lane 2 is back. That just one thing is good. You see? Tourists everywhere at Poppies Lane Street. Wow, a lot of trees down there. Okay guys, if I straight down, there is still Poppies Lane Street until Legian Street. But now I will turn left because I will make video on Bernesari Street. Yeah, confirm. Poppies Lane Street is getting busier and a lot of tourists in this area today. They're just really good. Okay, from Poppies Lane 2, now I will continue driving on Bernesari Street. So let's see together how busy in this area today. Right side, at the restaurant, a lot of trees down there. And actually this video, I make video on 1 p.m. So it's like lunchtime. 1:30, sorry. So it's timing to go to the restaurant to having lunch. Very small street. Actually in this area there is a lot guest house, small hotel, and lots of backpackers stay in this area actually. Right side, a lot of trees down there at the restaurant, Gloria Jeans. Okay guys, let's keep continue driving on Benesari Street. Not really busy in this area, but actually I can see like in this area there is more shop, restaurant are open. Wow, a lot of trees down there, quite busy. But I just drove in too fast. I hope you know exactly where we are at the moment because actually Benesari is also a famous street. and nice to stay because location just in between Kuta Beach and Laban Street. Wow, left side, Fitri down there doing shopping. At the front, there is Legend Hotel we call Adi Dharma. Sam was stay down there. Wow, Fitri is down there. Wow, good, really good. Busier, busier. Small road. Yeah, if I turn left, there's the way to go to Adi Dharma Hotel. It's down there. Okay, guys, let's keep continue driving on Bernesari Street, and this is 4-point bus Rattan, also big hotel. But no, busy outside. Maybe they are beside swimming pool. And actually the weather today is cloudy but not rain. And today I also will make video on Laban Street. Yeah, few trees down there already. That's good. Okay, from Benesari Street, now I will continue driving on Laban Street. Let's see together how busy in this area today. It is quite a long time I don't make video in this area actually, but today let me show you how the station on Laban Street. Very small street, you can see one car. Heavy traffic, so I have to waiting on the queue. Wow, very small road. This is one way for the car but two way for motorbike. I have to be waiting. I hope you know exactly where we are at the moment. Move slow, slow, slow. Moving step by step. Wow. James Blanket been here, and he say a good restaurant at Poppies restaurant. Good nasi goreng. I never try yet. You see, wow, lots of choice at the restaurant. They're just good. And my grandma been restaurant down there. You see? Wow, busy at the restaurant. Welcome to Bali. Welcome to Bali. Enjoy your holiday. Thank you, brother. Bali bagus, yeah. They look so happy. That's good. We hope together this video will give you an information about the update situation at the moment in Laban Bali at Poppies Lane Kuta Street and also Bernesari and Laban Street. Yeah. Actually in this area also is getting busier compared with the last video when I make video in this area. Step by step busier. That's good. Camplung Mas, K and Brook. It's your hotel. I hope you miss it. And then you will coming back soon again. Next year. Yeah, K and Brook is my subscriber from Australia. Okay guys, so this is the situation at the moment on Laban Street. So what do you think? Yeah, not so busy but fitry down there. Okay, if you just find this channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment. Also you can share this video because there is a lot of people around the world. They are missing Bali and they want to know the update situation at the moment in Legian Bali at Poppies Lane 2 and also Laban and Bernesari Street. And don't forget to the bell because I will always update the new station in Bali, so you will not miss any new video from Bali Travel Vlog. Thank you very much for watching my video and see you in the next video. Bye bye.